In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook page to ManyChat and set up the core automation features you need to respond to messages more efficiently. We're going to focus on 4 essential parts of the setup: connecting your Facebook page, building custom flows in the flow builder, creating keyword triggers, and turning on a default reply for messages that come in when no other automation applies. Once these pieces are in place, you'll have a much stronger foundation for handling FAQs, capturing leads, and keeping your inbox organized. First, connect your Facebook page to ManyChat. This step links your page messaging system with your ManyChat workspace so the platform can send and receive messages on your behalf. As you go through the connection process, make sure you select the correct Facebook page and approve the necessary permissions. This is important because if the wrong page is selected, or the permissions are limited, your automations may not work properly. After the connection is complete, it's a good idea to double check that the page appears as active inside ManyChat before moving on. Next, build custom flows using the flow builder. This is where you create the actual conversation paths people will go through when they message your page. For example, you can design flows to answer common questions, collect contact details, or guide someone through a lead intake process. As you build, keep the messaging clear and simple. Think of each flow as a short conversation, not a wall of text. The easier it is for users to follow, the better your results will usually be. Make sure each flow has a clear purpose, so visitors know what to do next. After that, set up keywords under automation. Keywords allow specific words or phrases from incoming messages to automatically trigger the right response. This is especially useful for common requests, because it helps people get fast answers without waiting for a manual reply. Choose phrases that your audience is actually likely to type, and connect each one to the most relevant flow. This makes your automation feel more natural and useful. Finally, enable your default reply. This acts as a fallback response for unmatched messages or messages received outside of your normal response flow. It's a simple but important safety net because it ensures nobody is left without acknowledgement. Keep the default reply friendly and informative, and let people know what to expect next. Once all of this is set up,